Hey guys, LT Fit here to give you some more motivation today. I feel motivated and excited, so I want to help more people be motivated and excited. Today, I just want to talk about a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle will give you enough energy to do things that you need to do and do things you want to do. You might want to play with your kids. You might want to excel at your career. You might even want to just enjoy life. And by working out, it will energize you to be able to do those things. Without energy, you're limited in what you're able to do. Even if you want to do it, if you don't have the energy to do it, you're just not going to do it. But when it comes to working out and being healthy and just having a healthy lifestyle, this is what's going to help you enjoy life on another level. So that's why I challenge you to get to being healthy, get to working out, see what it can do for you. Just try it. Just try it out. Just try it out for a few weeks. Just give it a few weeks and see won't it make a difference in your life. It's LT Fit. Have a great day.